Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional email address like hello@yourdomain.com completely free. You'll be able to receive emails using your own domain and send emails directly from Gmail without paying for Google Workspace. Let's get started. First, visit the Cloudflare website and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click Add Domain. Enter your domain name. Select the free plan. Cloudflare will automatically scan your existing DNS records. When the scan is complete, Cloudflare will give you 2 name servers. Now open your domain registrar, whether it's Namecheap, GoDaddy, Porkbun, or another provider. Replace your current name servers with the 2 name servers provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes. DNS propagation usually takes between 5 and 30 minutes, although sometimes it can take a little longer. Once your domain becomes active inside Cloudflare, you're ready for the next step. Inside the Cloudflare dashboard, select your domain. From the left sidebar, click Email, then choose Email Routing. Click Enable Email Routing. Cloudflare will ask permission to create the required MX and TXT records. Simply click Add Records. Everything is configured automatically. Next, click Tab Routing Rules. And scroll to Custom Addresses. Click Create Address. For the custom address, type something like hello@yourdomain.com. For the destination address, enter your personal Gmail account. Click Save. Cloudflare immediately sends a verification email to your Gmail inbox. Open Gmail and click the verification link. Congratulations! Your custom domain email can now receive emails, and they'll automatically appear in your Gmail inbox. Let's test it quickly. Send an email from another account to your custom email. After a few seconds, you should see it arrive in Gmail. Receiving email is now working perfectly. However, if you reply, people will still see your Gmail address. Let's fix that. To send emails using your custom domain, Google requires an app password. Open myaccount.google.com. Click Security. Under How you sign into Google, make sure 2-step verification is enabled. If it's not enabled, turn it on first. Now search for app passwords. Open it. Create a new app password. Give it a name such as Custom Domain SMTP. Click Create. Google generates a 16-character password. Copy it immediately. You won't be able to see it again after closing the window. Save it somewhere secure. Open Gmail. Click the gear icon. Choose See All Settings. Open the Accounts and Import tab. Under Send Mail As, click Add Another Email Address. A pop-up window appears. Enter your name. Enter your custom email address. For example, hello@yourdomain.com. Uncheck Treat as an alias. Click Next Step. Now enter the SMTP settings. SMTP server. smtp.gmail.com. Port 587. Username. Your full Gmail address. Password. Paste the 16-character app password you generated earlier. Select TLS. Click Add Account. Gmail now sends a confirmation email to your custom email address. Since Cloudflare email routing is already configured, that confirmation email will automatically arrive in your Gmail inbox. Open it. Click the confirmation link. Open New tab and click Confirm. And done. Confirmation success. Let's test both directions. First, send an email from another account to your custom domain. It should arrive instantly inside Gmail. Next, compose a new email in Gmail. Click the From drop-down. Select your custom email address. Send it. The recipient now sees your professional email instead of your personal Gmail address. Everything works exactly like a paid business email. And that's it. You now have a completely free professional email solution using Cloudflare email routing and Gmail. You can receive emails. You can send emails. You own the domain. And you don't need a Google Workspace subscription. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more web development, cloud, and programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.